It's very rare that you come across someone who knows what he wants to have in his home theater system. Because after working in this industry for more than 10 years and after speaking to so many home theater buyers like you, I have realized one thing, that home theater is a very, very complicated subject. And especially when you're out in the market looking to build a home theater system, everybody is so much confused because there are so many options flooded around and which can help you build a great home theater system. And that's why this setup tour is very, very special to me, because this was done for a client who already knew what he wants to have, and all I had to do was get the bits and pieces in proper place so that that entire home can have a great audio visual experience. So now I am sure you would be guessing that who is this person and how can he get so much of clarity as to what he wants. Well, the reason for this is that this client of ours, he's located in Pune, but he already has a home in Bangalore. And in Bangalore, he had already got a system which was working with a Yamaha AVR, and the speakers were from Dali. So all he said is that I want to replicate the same experience in my Pune home. And that's why, to match to that level of experience which he's already getting in his Bangalore home, was very, very difficult. Also, the product keeps on upgrading, and that's why the old receivers that he would have from Yamaha may not longer be relevant, and getting those right products was very, very crucial factor for all of us. So my team and I started taking up this as a challenge to ensure that the speaker placement is right on point, the entire audio system as well as the visual system is on point, so that it can match in the living room environment. Because over here we are speaking about having a projector screen in the living room, which is actually opened, or opposite to the big 30 feet wall opening which is with curtains. Now these thick curtains along with the blackout material ensured that when the room is closed with the curtains, the darkness in the room brings out the best reflections on the screen. And the projector that we finalized was the Epson TW9400. As you can see in the video, the projector is using a motorized lift to come down, so that when the room is not going to be used as an audiovisual experience, it can still have that good flavor of a simple plain living room. So not just the projector is using the motorized lift, the screen is also motorized screen. Now these two elements is taking care of a perfect scene in a home automation scenario. For instance, when I press the button of all on or watch movie as a scene, then you would see the lights dimming in, the screen coming down, the projector lifts coming down, the projector turning on, and not just that, even the AV receiver is triggered on and the right content is coming on the screen. And to top it off, the best part is that the curtains are also automatically getting closed. Now that's the kind of perfect environment that you would want to create, wherein you just ask Alexa or you use a simple button on your keypad or on your smartphones to have an entire movie experience right on your fingertips. Now the AV system, as I said, was very, very easy to pick because they already had a BOQ in mind. So as you can see, the speakers are from Dali, and the speaker models that we are looking at is the Oberon 7. He was used to the Zensor sound. Now the Zensor is a discontinued series in Dali, though it was one of my favorite as well for a very long time. But now the Oberon 7s is what we have used as the front floor standing speakers, along with the center as the Dali Oberon vocal. The surrounds, we had quite a big of dilemma, because initial plan was to put stands, two bookshelf stands, and put the Oberon 1s or the Oberon 3s as the surround speaker. Later on, that got changed to wall mount speaker using the Dali Phazon Sats, because Dali Phazon Sats are one of the best surround speakers, as they have got mounts which can help you tilt the speaker based upon your sitting position and give you a fantastic surround sound experience. Now, because as you can see, the living room environment does not have a multi-row setting just the way it is in the theater room. What we opted for is a very simple 5.1.2 solution, which is powered with two Atmos speakers, again from Dali, and the subwoofer is an old Velodyne subwoofer that he got from Bangalore home. Now this entire configuration is powered using a Yamaha AV receiver, which is Yamaha Avantage RX A2A model. Now A2A was one of the recent launch, and this project when we had finalized we did not have this model back then. So the earlier quoted model was RX A880, because this project was started during COVID times or maybe before COVID as well. Now, with regards to the number of inputs that we have used in this AVR are very high. For instance, you can see that there is a turntable which is connected to the amplifier to ensure that we can enjoy a great 2-channel stereo music with the DALI Oberon 7. Because DALI, as we all have mentioned in one of our short videos, is a very nice brand for music listening. The next thing that we have got in the content selection is a Amazon FireTV Cube. Now, Amazon FireTV Cube is a great media player which also has got a voice assistant of Alexa. The third product in the media player is the Tata Sky HD set-top box, which helps them watch the latest sports action live in time and not have a delay of 2 to 3 seconds. And the last item in the input selection is the Blu-ray player. Now, Blu-ray player was very important for him because he has got a Dolby Atmos disc and he wanted to ensure that there is a good Blu-ray player which supports Dolby Atmos. So the Blu-ray player is taking care of all of these things, and the Fire TV Cube is taking care of the OTT streaming. Now, we all know that in most of the premium apartments, we do not have a spare room which can be treated as a cinema room. Not everybody can have that luxury, but there is a strong desire to have a great audio system in each and every room. Now, if you also have that desire of having a great audio system which can connect throughout the entire home, play a morning alarm or probably play a devotional song in the evening, well, then multi-room systems are very essential and the right products to solve that need. And in this home as well, what we have done is we have used a Sonos multi-room system which is taking care of the audio in the 3 bedrooms. Now, the master bedroom is actually a combination of 2 bedrooms clubbed together, wherein we have got the 2 Sonos speakers separately working as a left and the right channel. This is acting as one master bedroom zone, and apart from that, we have a guest bedroom 1 and a guest bedroom 2, wherein we have got one single speaker next to the bed. Now, all these 3 speakers you can check in the demo how they can link with each other, how you can play separate music in each room, as well as, if required, you can even link these rooms based upon your choice. The cherry on the top in this entire home was one particular system which is my favorite, and that was the B&W Formation Duo. Now, these B&W Formation Duo are 2 wireless speakers from B&W giving a very enriching sound in the room, and we have also got an audio hub which is connected to the TV so that this system can be purely used for 2-channel hi-fi stereo purposes. So this entire project was a great learning for my team because we played around with some new products, new technologies, and not just that, even for designing, my design team loved the entire wiring planning as well as ensuring that each of the corner of the home is covered with a great Wi-Fi network to support the multi-room audio system. Now, in case you want to design these kind of fantastic apartments which has got a home theater room, 2-channel stereo as well as a multi-room system, then make sure to check the link shared in the description wherein you can request to get a custom design solution from me and my team. Also, to those of you who want to watch or check out some more projects that have been done by me and my team, then make sure to check the link again in the description as well as in the pinned comments. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. And don't forget, we have YouTube live happening tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. So in case you have got so many questions in your mind, then that's the best place where you want to be.